Hi, friend! Today, we're learning the letter C. This is C. C has a special sound. K, K, K. C. K, K, K. C. C is for cat. K, K, cat. Can you say cat? K, K, cat. Great job! C is also for carrot. K, K, carrot. Can you try? K, K, carrot. Good job! Last one for today. C is also for car. K, K, car. You try it with me now. K, K, car. Great job! Great job learning the letter C today. K, K, C. Thanks for joining me in the Calm Little Corner. I'll see you again next time. Bye!